अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम अक्टूबर 2025 के लिए जीके कवर कर लेते हैं जो कि हेल्पफुल होगा सीएसएस एमपीटी में पीएमएस जीके एमसीक्यूज़ के लिए और वन पेपर एमसीक्यूज़ के लिए। हम अक्टूबर के नेशनल अफेयर से स्टार्ट करते हैं। पाकिस्तान रिमोट सेंसिंग सैटेलाइट PRSS-1 was launched from China. Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission SPARCO was established in 1961. Gadoon Amazai Industrial Estate is located in KP. National Cyber Crime Investigation Agency (NCCIA) was established in April 2024. Dr. Suhail Munir is the incumbent chairman of Pakistan Digital Authority (PDA). The sixth Pakistan-Afghanistan-China trilateral dialogue was held in Kabul. Murtaza Solangi was appointed as spokesperson for the President of Pakistan. ADB announced a $410 million financing package to help develop Pakistan's Reko copper mine. President Zardari constituted the 11th National Finance Commission on August 22nd. Pakistan and Bangladesh agreed to revive their Joint Economic Commission (JEC) after nearly 2 decades. Pakistan javelin thrower Yasir Sultan won the bronze medal at the Asian Throwing Championships. Under the Pakistan-Bangladesh Knowledge Corridor, 500 scholarships will be awarded to Bangladeshi students for higher studies in Pakistan. The State News Agency of Pakistan is Associated Press of Pakistan (APP). Pakistan Rice Road Show 2025 was held in Accra, Ghana. On August 26, Google introduced AI mode in Pakistan. On August 26, the Balochistan government announced to establish its own Bank of Balochistan. On 27 August, the State Bank of Pakistan and UN Women signed an MOU to enhance women's financial inclusion. On 28 August, Pakistan Navy handed over the command of Combined Task Force 151 to Brazil. On 29 August, Muniba Mazari was appointed UN SDGs advocate. President Zardari gave assent to the Anti-Terrorism Amendment Bill 2025 on 31 August. Pakistan and Armenia established diplomatic relations on August 31. The Utility Stores Corporation was closed across the country on 31 August. On 1 September, the UN launched the Network on Migration in Pakistan. In September, PM Shehbaz Sharif met Chinese President Xi Jinping in Beijing. On 2 September, Dr. Kazim Niaz was selected as Pakistan's Executive Director at the World Bank in Washington. On 3 September, Rafiq Habib, founding Chancellor of the Habib University Foundation, passed away. On 4 September, Pakistan and China signed bilateral accords worth $8.5 billion. On 5 September, Pakistan's A team defeated Sri Lanka to win the 64th National Amateur Golf Trophy. On 7 September, Pakistan defeated Bangladesh in the final of the Tri-Nation T20I series. On 7 September, Muhammad Tahir was appointed as Inspector General of Police, Balochistan. On 8 September, President Zardari conferred the Nishan-e-Imtiaz military upon UAE Naval Commander Staff Major General Humaid Abdullah Al-Rimiti. On 8 September, Pakistan's golf star Umar Khalid became the first Pakistani to win a golf title on American soil. On 9 September, Rana Sanaullah Khan was elected senator from Punjab. On 9 September, Pakistan and Kazakhstan signed the action plan of cooperation between their foreign ministries. Now, international affairs. On 16 August, the US State Department halted all visitor visas for Gaza residents. On 16 August, Burundi's president laid the foundation of the nation's first railway connecting to Tanzania. On 17 August, the World Games concluded in China. On 20 August, India test-fired the Agni 5 missile, capable of carrying a nuclear warhead to any part of China. On 20 August, India and China agreed to resume direct flights and trade. On 21 August, Judge Frank Caprio of the US died at the age of 88. On 21 August, Uganda agreed to receive migrants refused by US. On 22 August, Thaksin Shinawatra was former Prime Minister of Thailand. On 22 August, President Trump named Sergio Gore as US Ambassador to India and South and Central Asia. On 22 August, the UN officially declared a famine in Gaza. On 25 August, the world's first carbon storage service was launched off Norway's coast. The North Sea is the northeastern arm of the Atlantic Ocean. The North Sea separates UK from mainland Europe. Great Britain is separated from continental Europe by the English Channel and Strait of Dover. The Mediterranean Sea and the Strait of Gibraltar separate Africa from Europe. On 27th August, President Trump imposed a 50% tariff on Indian goods. On 27th August, all UNSC members except USA termed the famine in Gaza as man-made crisis. On August 28, Britain, France, and Germany launched a 30-day process to reimpose UN sanctions on Iran. On 28 August, the UNSC extended its peacekeeping mission in Lebanon till 2026. On 29 August, the Constitutional Court of Thailand sacked PM Paetongtarn Shinawatra. Thailand recently had a border dispute with Cambodia. On August 30, Australia signed an agreement with Nauru to send immigrants to the barren island. On 30th August, Yemen's Prime Minister Ahmed al-Rahabi was killed in an Israeli airstrike. Shenzhen, Hong Kong, Guangzhou region has overtaken Tokyo, Yokohama as the world's top innovation cluster. The World Intellectual Property Organization was established in 1967. On 2nd September, Australian cricketer Mitchell Starc announced retirement from T20I cricket. On 2nd September, President Xi Jinping met Russian and North Korean counterparts in Beijing. On 4th September, Italian designer Giorgio Armani passed away at the age of 91. On 5th September, the WHO declared the end of the global mpox emergency. On 5th September, the European Commission fined Google for antitrust violation. On 6th September, Aryna Sabalenka won the US Open women's tennis title. On 7th September, Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba resigned. On 8th September, the French Parliament ousted Prime Minister Bayrou through a confidence vote. On 9th September, Ethiopia inaugurated the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam on the River Nile. On 9 September, Israel launched an airstrike on Hamas leaders in Qatar. On 9 September, Israel and India signed a bilateral investment agreement. On 9 September, US activist Charlie Kirk was shot dead at a university in Utah. On September 13, the White House Directorate of Defense was renamed the Directorate of War. GK Tidbits. Chabahar port is located in Iran's Sistan-Balochistan province. Iran Island is commonly known as Scarborough Shoal. World Suicide Prevention Day is observed on 10 September. International Literacy Day is observed annually on 8 September. Poet Munir Niazi passed away in 2006. Deficiency of red blood cells is called anemia. In India, the first press was set up by Jesuit missionaries in Goa 1556. Tabernas Desert, Europe's only true desert, is in Spain. The most densely populated country in the world is Monaco. The country known as the Land of Rising Sun is Japan. Diplomatic relations between Pakistan and Japan were established in April 1952. The least populated region on the earth is Greenland, Denmark. Earth's ozone layer is located in the stratosphere. The Montreal Protocol to protect the ozone layer was adopted in 1987. Major General A.K. Niazi surrendered at Dhaka in 1971. He was removed from service in 1975. The Maknial Forest is located in Haripur. The only universally ratified environmental treaty is the Montreal Protocol. The world's oldest president, Paul Biya, leads Cameroon. The International Ombudsman Institute headquarters is in Vienna, Austria. KCNA is the news agency of North Korea. The highest peak in the Hindu Kush is Tirchmer. Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport is located in Dhaka. Qutbuddin Aibak is buried in Lahore. The study of flags is called vexillology. The most consistent national flag is that of Denmark, adopted in 1219. The only country whose flag is not four-sided is Nepal. The two countries with square flags are Switzerland and Vatican City. The father of the US Constitution is James Madison. Merdeka 118, the world's second tallest building, is in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The main source of the Nile River is Lake Victoria. The longest canal in the world is Xinjiang, China. The longest day of the years occur on the 21st June. The greatest exhibition of industrial works was held in 1851. The longest international land border is between USA and Canada. The world's longest rail route is Trans-Siberian Railway. The largest desert in the world is Antarctic Polar Desert. The world's largest inland body of water is the Caspian Sea. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. The longest road in the world, the Pan American Highway, runs through 14 countries. The UNIFIL mission in Lebanon was established in 1978. Hezbollah is a militant group based in Lebanon. The National Academy of Performing Arts (NAPA) is located in Karachi. The only South Asian country with a land port with India is Bangladesh. The third Sultan of Ghaznavid was Mahmud Ghaznavi. Raj Dimar is a poetry collection by Zahra Nigah. The biggest economy in South Asia is Indonesia. The Utility Stores Corporation of Pakistan was established in 1971. Nestle was founded in Vevey, Switzerland. World Coconut Day is celebrated on 2nd September. The Sindh Madrasatul Islam was founded in 1885. The minimum age to renounce citizenship in Pakistan is 21 years. The Pakistan Environmental Protection Act was enacted in 1997. The National Disaster Management Act was enacted in 2010. The first Urdu newspaper was Jame Jahan Numa. The Diamir Bhasha Dam is being built on the Indus River. The height of Diamir Bhasha Dam RCC wall will be 272 meters. The designer of India's national flag was Pingali Venkaya. The president of Nepal is Ramachandra Paudel. The largest artificial forest in Pakistan is Changamanga. Remains of ancient organisms are called fossils. The device measuring vehicle distance is an odometer. The scientific name for red blood cells is erythrocytes. The scientific name for platelets is thrombocytes. The Azad Patan hydropower project is on the Jhelum River. Enfield rifles were used in the 1857 War of Independence. The War of Independence 1857 began on 10th May 1857. Bahadur Shah Zafar died in Rangoon 1862. The Prophet Zulkarnain is mentioned in Surah Kahf. The first president of Pakistan was Skandar Mirza. The headquarters of Arab League is in Cairo. The military wing of Hamas is called the Qassam Brigades. The founder of Hamas was Sheikh Ahmad Ismail Hassan Yassin. The river known as backbone of Pakistan's agriculture is the Indus River. The number of Masarif-e-Zakat is 8. Pakistan's first foreign minister was Zafrullah Khan. The World Meteorological Organization was designated a UN agency in 1951. The largest antibody in human body is immunoglobulin M, IgM. The first printed newspaper in subcontinent was Hickey's Bengal Gazette. The first Persian newspaper, Miratul Akhbar, was launched by Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 1822. Einstein's theory of relativity was presented in 1916. The Pakistan Environmental Protection Act was enacted in 1997. The National Disaster Management Act was enacted in 2010. The first Urdu newspaper was Jame Jahan Numa. The Amir Bhacha Dam is being built on the Indus River. The first women editor and English columnist of Pakistan was Zebul Nisa Hamidullah. Sayyid Amiruddin Kidwai designed the national flag of Pakistan. The first commander-in-chief of Pakistan Army was Major General Muhammad Ayub Khan. The national dish of Pakistan is nihari. The earliest archaeological site of Mehergarh lies in Kachi Plain, Balochistan. The national tree of Pakistan is Deodar Cedar. The city of hospitality in Pakistan is Peshawar. The number of Olympic medals won by Pakistan so far is 11. In the Vedas, the river Ravi is referred to as Iravati. The country with most pyramids is Sudan. The Global SME Summit 2025 was held in Davos.